biko no ndị ba ekenekwa m unu ko echenye azelu n'ụbọchị nke tata biko enwere something na-aga on that I still don't understand. Don't nwekwa ihe na-ajụ biko uche onye adịna ya njọ. Nwekwa ihe nchọrọ ịjụ ọ bụ evangelist Ebuka Obi na Zion Ministry na-enwe issue with Jpac. Edekwa m na case anụ na problem anụ anyị na-enwe na internet anụ na this okwu a for the past 1 week now. For the past 1 week now and some days, n'okwu anụ anyị nọ n'ime ya na internet a bụ gịnị? Ogechi Okeke njaka versus Jpac. Edom no ihe anyị na-eme, odom no ihe a na-ekwu okwu ya. But why is it that onye chọọ ikwu okwu achọba in a way anyị esi wee mee gịnị attach ya Zion Ministry n'okwu anụnwa? Uche onye adị na ya njọ kpaka gbalụ m nya gbalụ nwunye dị m kilo na asịrị wee mee gịnị na. Why are you people pushing this agenda, including ndị na-eme video? Ma ndị na-asị na ha chọrọ izichere evangelist Ebuka Obi okwu, ma ndị na-asị na ha na-ekwu okwu, ma ndị na-asị na ha na-ekpe udo, ma ndị na-asị na Jpac listening to them, ma ndị na-asị nke anụnwa. Ma ndị na-asị na people around Zion doesn't have the mind of Christ, they bully people, they make so onye ọbụla nara eje Zion nwezi the mind of Christ, ndị na-ha eje Zion enwere the mind of Christ. How are you in your own senses now expecting evangelist Ebuka Obi ka ọ bịa tinye ọnụ n'okwu gbasara Jpac na Ogechi? Because I want to understand something. Let's take for example, Nobu na Ogechi has never shown that she loves Zion Ministry. Kedu ebe ọzọ unu shift okwu atu? Because I need a denomination. Zion Ministry is never a church. It's a denomination where it's a prayer ground where everybody, every soul come. I more never am a church in Kem. I'm a Dunamite, only Dunamis Campo, but I love evangelist Ebuka Obi and I love Guinea Zion Ministry. So now I need most people on the internet with their own respective churches, Hanaga, but they choose to associate with Zion because of one or two things. Best their reason Guinea best known to them. But why are our people channeling this attention, channeling to Onyobuna, because you feel like you can talk to evangelist Ebuka Obi after singing Nelanya to other churches? No more on the no other churches no more on your name no more on your video post already. So now somebody somewhere saying no nyele Dr. Oyedepo, Bishop Oyedepo $20,000 because again no go there many years ago and that book blessed him. He saw a need to go and sow. Onya abulonyi Igbo anyị ko beba sow na Zion Ministry ka ife ndị mmadụ yokwu. But then somebody agbe camera chetale gị na ben na gị na ilo ga ihu ben na gị enwero pole wire, enwero transformer, enwero nka ọzọ because na inyele ga to place ha hiti. Let us learn to tell ourselves the truth. Ibolo onye chọrọ ikwu eziokwu chọọ okwu anụnwa bie. And they associate Zion from this issue. They associate evangelist Ebuka Obi to this issue. Una ask evangelist bebe kwu na onweli head. I keep asking, I'm still looking for a way to connect the dot. Kedu ko evangelist Ebuka Obi so ebata n'okwu a? Why are you people mentioning it? Why is it always all about na evangelist Ebuka Obi caution onya, evangelist Ebuka caution onya no? When the other person was busy attacking the church, attacking the Zion Ministry that was once good to him, attacking it, Bobandi church, makana ikpo onye ikpo ndị church, ikpo ndị ụka, ndị dunamis ya attack gị, ndị deeper life ya attack gị, ndị Catholic ya attack gị, ndị Anglican ya attack gị, ndị olumba ya attack gị, ndị cherubim and seraphim ya attack gị. As long as na ndị ahụ bụ ụka, you are talking to everybody. You are attacking to everybody. Iya amabu camera, baby caution noa. Evangelist Ebuka Obi nya kwuo okwu, caution noa Akwa Zion, caution noa caution noa Ogechi Okeke. You cannot under the same camera caution onye for your friend, caution onye ikwu. Mane pote say I talk to him in privately, I talk to him in a way. I talk to him privately. Man onye ọzọ bụzi ndị ya agwazi okwu anyhow. Onye ọzọ ndị ọzọ bụzi ndị ya tụpụrụ okwu. You are trying to collide two heads together. Isi na gbatara onye na ị na-achọ ka alakọ ya ọnụ like this ka ọ gbaa ọkpụrụkpụ. a na-achọ ka eme gịnị ka a lakọọ ya ọnụ ka ọ gbọkpụkpụ ihe akwa unu lakagide mbaka lakagide mbaka wee je tinye ọnụ n'okwu ọnụ kwesịrị itinye ọnụ na ya. There are some certain things that doesn't concern you. Your job is to make sure that the lost sheep, Jesus dosad the rest, did not go astray. That is what you people should be doing. Obodo bịa na gaslight okwu. Afọ m onye ọzọ eme video today na-asị na onye ya na Ogechi onye na-agba Jpac wo abụrụ onye nọ America na onye nọ Nigeria no. Osi Aba ọgbago Lagos, osi Lagos ọgbago Port Harcourt, osi nke anọ. No ya nwa na gaslight okwu. But you are see, there are some certain things I need as a human being. Actually, judge okwu na naturally okwu ka na ichoku dodi. Be on a center. Blame one. Mana gwa how people will come to a resolve. Never ya resolve nyabo okwu amicably. Because there is no smoke without fire. There is no smoke without fire. A man say ni heni no Ogechi ni ne ku yeni no ho ne ku basi. You cannot tell me that everything nobody will quote from the one is all lies. Never. There is no smoke without fire. Because all good morning, Nebute, how are you? Oh, good morning. Why are you people always centering it now? Never. Now one day, Nebukobi, now Ogechi Yapalia. One day, Ogechi Yapalende Zion. Why are people praying that kind of prayer for Madanabu issue that should have been resolved amicably if truly this oku should have been resolved amicably, which I said it. I said it blame one where for this matter it escalating more than like this now. This is what should be done. Somebody must bow for another to say, hey, I take the blame. Manakudochia. Which no buzo bidia, we should be the one to also make to gain. And by the time he accepts the blame, okay, anugum, let anugum, ekwetem nanka, but kudochia. That is when the person yapped as a can about to go like that. Don't worry. I'm so sorry. I'm also sorry for doing this. If your mother na without chia, man, you came out and you trying to make sure na you collide the list Zion ministry. No kuanua. What if na obulu na Ogechi another Zion? Will you people look for another avenue attached to yoku? Could you people happen the bone of contention on ground? Happy and then chase another thing. Why are you people trying to see that now? What is right? Ogechi Okeke Njaka, no problem with Jpac that needs to be resolved. And that's because no Ogechi na Zion. That no name be afande Zion. No name be afande Zion. Why? Ogechi na no Jpac na ano obunde Zion na Ogechi na ano ya. Okay, Ogechi na maybe afande Zion. Jpac on ogbara akwa na Catholic Church. Enwego onye Catholic Church pụtasị no na maybe afande Catholic Church. No, let's tell ourselves the truth. Why are we always behaving like this? Why are we behaving like this? Or because nature kudochia, or because you want to send your message. I'm not against anybody saying their message. Mana, let us live what is. Again. Idea is see every problem na the wrong. Zion ministry don't have problem with Jpac. Zion ministry don't have a problem with Ogechi. Why are people trying to force Zion ministry? Can they because have a problem with Ogechi? As see Bebuku binya kuoku, see Bebuku binya kuoku. Une si go na di Ogechi, see dia nka no. See ni amakwe Nebuku bi from Nebuku bi na amakwe na Zion ministry. What is all this? What is gaining all this? Let us learn to see the truth and not to find a way will be easy or they can actually early in our head in order to gain and seek public sympathy. If Ogechi is not attending or have not shown, because I have not seen Ogechi in Zion ministry, if Ogechi has not shown her love for Zion ministry or no we come on aga redeem, will you people tell okay redeem ano Adeboye Adeboye koku oku maka ihe anụwa will people tell EA Adeboye Koku maka, or will people center the whole? Because I'm seeing it now, not because I'm the buy you on Facebook or this cast knows also Zion members need defend her. I feel like most of us are limited on this Facebook. Go to Twitter. If you get bend the OP or Dr. Punde Ndo Johnson Suleiman on Twitter, go there and check. Because we all know some of our people, they limited na Facebook. Or when they say, I believe Facebook. Go to Instagram. Sometimes explore, go to other check the comments on. If you look other denominations, say I know their member. You think it's only Zion when people need defend? They are no. Even common Matthias, even Matthias, by Matthias. Metoto you kuna kif can be behind you attack again. When you say evangelist Bukobi, him and millions upon millions love him. Don't be surprised. Then I will not be surprised when evangelist say I know better than one because now sometimes now quite from program morning till evening or J hotel bless people from hotel or Batakwa midnight in midnight from the Olahone no kute tomorrow morning ibido kwana 3 a.m. one cancel in the department in car. Next day 4 a.m. one cancel in the department in car. Ebido kwa sayo no toto. Obiakwa batigide kwa mpochirichi. Can't you believe this young man alone for crying out loud goes alone nike? Goes alone nike. Because judgment will start upon the judgment will start from the church. You may think that you are not knowing that you are passing judgment. Now you create a problem, maybe problem na dero. You cholo no choku uno be udo, be no do below ya nisi. Kode no mbozo.